What's up guys, this is KDCloudy and I find these videos kind of cool to be honest, and I felt like making one, so here it is. This is my everyday carry for mid 2018. So my stuff is pretty simple and minimal, not too much tech, yet not too much of luxury items. And let's start with my smartphone. The Pixel from 2016, silver with a D brand skin on the glass. I've been carrying this for more than a year, made tons of videos about it, and I still love the experience and the camera, but what I don't like is the battery life, and it has gotten really terrible lately and I don't know why. Probably for another video, but yeah. Next, my watch. It's a normal silver analog wristwatch from Casio. It tells the time and it works, so yeah, I've been carrying this for a couple of years now, so I don't really remember the exact model name, but this really adds a touch of non-digitalness and feels kind of nice. Next is my wallet, and this might look strange because it's a money clip just to hold cash, and it's a pretty premium money clip I bought from Earbuds.in, and I'll link that below, and it's perfect for me because I hate carrying fat wallets and I lost my previous one, and I don't need to carry a lot of cash because I mostly pay using my phone. So for carrying cash just in case, it's perfect. It's sleek and slides right in and out of my pocket. Next are my wireless earbuds, the Tantra Powerboard Bluetooth earphones. Yeah, that's what it's called. And yeah, I got these from Amazon earlier this year, and I like how they look and they sound okay. Might do a full review, so yeah, keep an eye out for that. And lastly, I always carry a pen, a Reynolds Trimax. This is probably the most commonly used pen in India, and I always have one with me whenever I'm heading to class, and I always lose them, so I bought like 50 of them. Yeah. But that's all for this video. If you like this one, I'll link some more cool everyday carry videos in the description, which I really loved. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.